Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from neet 2014. The ratio of acceleration for a solid sphere mass m and radius r rolling down and inclined of angle theta without slipping and slipping down the incline without rolling is. So student, in first case it is rolling, and in second case it is not rolling, only slipping. So the acceleration due to gravity in this side, this is a1, and acceleration due to gravity, acceleration of the sphere in downward direction is a1, and acceleration of this sphere when it is slipping in downward direction is a2. So a1 is given by g sin theta upon 1 plus k square upon r square, and for solid sphere k square upon r square equal to 2 by 5. In second case a2 is equal to, in second case this is slipping, this solid sphere is slipping, so it acts as a block, and downward acceleration of the block is g sin theta only, g sin theta in case of slipping. So a1 equal to g sin theta upon 1 plus 2 upon 5, so this is 5 upon 7 g sin theta, and a2 is g sin theta. Therefore a1 upon a2 equal to 5 by 7 g sin theta upon g sin theta. G sin theta, this side cancel, this is 5 upon 7. So a1 ratio a2 equal to 5 ratio 7 is the correct answer of this question, which is found in option A. Option A is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.